Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect System.me up to Mailerlite so that when someone has gone through your funnel, such as they might have ordered something, that they will actually get added into your Mailerlite account so that you can then, of course, deliver them a set of emails, such as in this example, I'm using a Trello for social media course. So you might want it so that when someone signs up to your Trello for social media course, that they get added into your Mailerlite, and then they might get a series of onboarding emails to take them through. So the best way, there's several ways you could do it. So the best way I prefer is using the tagging system or by using the purchase system. So I'm going to show you both of them, okay? So the first thing what we want to do is we're going to actually need to use Zapier, okay? So what we're going to do is going to press Create as App. And then what we can see here, we're going to need to pick a trigger. So the trigger for this one is obviously going to be System.me. So we're going to press systeme.io. And in here, you can choose various ways that this happens. So this is where I said you've got two main ways I like. You've got the new sale or you've got a new tag added to a contact. These are the two different ways that we could do it. So let's just say that we're going to go by the new sale, okay? We're going to go new sale. And then we're going to press continue. And it's going to ask us to connect our system.io login. So if we press sign in, and it's going to ask us to sign into our account. So I'm just going to log into my own. And it's going to ask us to give it permissions. So we're going to press allow because we want to give it the permissions that it needs. And then press continue. And then now you can see you can choose, right, which funnel do you want to connect this up to? So I'm going to say it's the Trello for social media. And it's for when someone completes purchase on the order step. So when they do the order form and press continue. Now, if we press test trigger, what's going to actually happen is it's going to bring through some example email ones because I've obviously not actually put a sale through this. So it's going to give me an example one here, which is totally fine. And I'm going to use that. Or you could make a purchase yourself so that you can test it out. So next we can press continue with the selected record. And then we can go and search Mailerlite as the action. So I have the new version of Mailerlite on this account I'm using. So I'm going to press Mailerlite. And then I'm going to choose to add a subscriber to a group, okay? But I haven't actually created this group yet. So what I need to do, I'm in Mailerlite here, is I need to go to subscribers, groups, and I'm going to create a group that's going to be for people who have bought this course. I'm just going to call it Trello for social media and press create. So now when I come into here, I can say, right, it's when I subscribe to a group. And if I press continue, it's going to ask me to connect my Mailerlite. So I'm going to press sign in. And then I'm going to choose my account because I'm already connected, logged in, and press authorize. So now we can see that I'm authorized. If you're using Mailerlite Classic, it might ask you to get the API key, which you can find in the developer settings. So next up, we're going to press continue. And we're going to say, I want to add people to a subscriber group. So we're going to choose the new one we created, which was Trello social media. Now, if you haven't done this group yet, and you've not created it, then you'll have to go create it, come back in, refresh your screen, and then do it. And then here we can say, right, what's their email address? So we can put their email address in there and then press continue. Other ways that we could do it, just go back to here, is create or update a subscriber. And I'm going to show you both ways to show you the benefits. So that's going to add a subscriber to a group. But they might not already be in there. And this is a common mistake people make, right? So a common mistake people make is this. And if this person didn't exist in my system, it wouldn't add them to the group. So actually the event trigger that we will be using is going to be create or update subscriber, because this gives us, if you can see, much more actions, and it creates a subscriber or updates them. So we're going to do the same. We're going to say Trello for social media. And if we've got previously subscribed, we'll update is subscribe. So yeah, we're going to say true. We want people to be resubscribed. And then we can start populating the details in here that we want. So their name, I'm going to choose first name. Where it says last name. And then it might be, if I've got the phone number, we can pop that in there. So if I just search phone, we can see the phone number. So we might as well pass through all the details that we did collect, so that we've basically got them. So we can put the zip code in. I just saw that somewhere. So we could pass that through, for instance, and you can pass all that information through. Once we've done that, I've not passed the email. We'll just press continue. And then you could test the action. But what I like to do before I test the action is to actually get an automation set up and then test the action. So what you would want to do more than likely is not just add them to a group, but if you go to automation, you could now create an automation, start from scratch, Trello for social media, onboarding, I could put, and press start building. So then what I can put in here is that when a subscriber joins the Trello social media group, that I want them to do something. So that's going to be plus. The first thing I want to do is an action. And I want to add them to my master list. I'm going to copy to a group. And I'm going to add them to my master list. And then I want to send them an email. So I'm not going to show you how to design the email out and everything. But then I might have a wait step. So I might tell them to wait 2 days and etc. etc. But I'm just going to delete them out for now. But that's, you basically build that out. Just going to turn it on, just so it's on. And now I'm going to go back to here. So now if I press test action, we can see a subscriber was sent to Mailerlite. So I'm going to come back in here and press save and close. We are going to go into subscribers. And we can see that this example person has been added in. They've been added in. They went into the Trello social media. They also went into my master list because I have an automation set up, which added them into both. And they would obviously get any emails that they got as well. And it's as simple as that. And just to do a bit of tidying up, we'll just name this. So we can put systeme.io Trello for social media to Mailerlite. Job done, and then we would press publish. Now, just to show you that the other way you could do this is you could do it using the tagging system. So again, it might be depending if you have a free plan, you might want to try and get away with some stuff. So you could say that it's when a new tag is added to a contact that something would happen, and then you would choose a tag. Now, there's no tag showing. So how you would do this if you was using the tagging system is what you would first do is go to contacts and then tags in systeme. And you would create a tag. So this tag is going to be product, Trello, social media. Okay? I'm going to press save. Now, if I go back to my funnels, and then what I'm going to do is an automation rule. And I can say, so when a new sale makes someone's a new sale, add a tag, Trello social media. So when a new sale occurs, it's going to add a tag. So then that means now I could use that as a trigger. So if I just refresh this screen, because now I've actually created a tag, we will see that the value will appear Trello social media. And that could be what I use instead. So I could actually use that and go through the exact same process that we just went through. And that's how you would connect it up to Mailerlite.